Welcome back to The Price is Inflated. Navneet, it looks like you're ready. Would you like to solve the puzzle?
Thank you, Chris. Yes, I would definitely like to solve the puzzle. I'd like to put this one to bed.
Alrighty then, Navneet. You got one chance to get this right. For $1 million, what is your answer?
Bros before hoes,
Well, that's not quite right. We apologize for the misunderstanding, folks. The correct answer was actually Beaux Before Shows Witch, written by the author Donald Sullivan, 1965.
In my last video, I created the most accurate AI portraits of myself using the Flux image generator. Well, today we're taking it a step further. Using that same method, I'm going to show you guys how to generate a video of you as the main character whilst maintaining a consistent look and feel throughout the video. Now, to pull this off, we need a number of AI tools. ChatGPT will provide us the individual shot prompts that make up our scene. Flux will generate our images. Runway will turn our images into videos and will also help us with our lip sync. And 11 Labs will generate our sound effects. All right, so I've trained this ChatGPT to assist me with the plot and the storyline for the video. Now, what I asked it to do is to first give me a character prompt for the character in the film. And then I've asked for the individual shot prompts that make up each scene. So now let's head to the image generator where my trained model is on the website called Replicate. I just want to scroll down here and I want to click here, and this will take me to my trained model. Now, when you give this a try yourself, you will need to train your model first. That's okay. I did a video. It's my last video. Go check that out. It will show you the step-by-step. It's very simple. All right, so this is what my trained model looks like. I can enter prompts here. Let's change a few things. Let's do 16:9. Let's do 4 outputs, which means 4 images will be generated every time. Let's change this to PNG. So let's grab the first prompt here, which is an establishing shot of the house, and there's no character in this one. So I'm just going to grab all of these and we're going to head back over here and we're going to paste it in there, and I don't have to do anything else. I can press run. All right, so this is the establishing shot. It's actually the first shot of the scene. Now, you don't have to start with the first shot. It's up to you, but there's just one very important step. Okay, guys, when you scroll over here and you see this where it says using seed, you want to grab that and you want to enter it over here for the next images. And this is to make sure that the following images match the original image that you generated. All right, so I'll just grab this one here. Let's save that. Now let's do a prompt with me in it as well. So I'll do this one here, the suspicious noise. Okay, so let's grab that and head back. Now, one thing I want you to do is I want you to grab that character prompt from before, and we want to just enter it at the top. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Every time there's a shot with the character in it, I want you to put the character prompt on the top, and then I want you to put the specific shot of what's happening underneath. Let's generate it and let's see how it looks like. So this is where the consistent character will come into play, because the model is already trained on our face, and all it's doing is it's just changing the character's attire and clothing, and then it's telling the generator what's happening in the actual scene as well. All right, so here's one of the shots of me. It's the close-up shot, and you know, they're all a bunch of random ones. We'll do one of me, like maybe so I can talk as well. So actually, I'm just trying to see which one should I do. Let's do this one, okay? All right, save both of those images, and we want to head now to Runway Gen 3, where we're going to convert these images and bring them to life into... So we now want to head to Runway Gen 3. What we're going to do is we are going to provide both of those images to bring them to life. All right, here's our first image. I'll just generate this one for 5 seconds. I'll just generate it just to do randomly. Usually what I would put here is like camera doesn't move, and then I'll sort of enter some information to tell the generator what it's doing. And for this one, I'm writing on here, camera doesn't move. And usually what I would be writing on here, depending on the scene, what's happening, is I would sort of be explaining the emotion that the character is having as well. So it starts putting expressions on his face. All right, whilst that's generating, let's have a look at the first one. So if I press play, yep, so it's the first establishing shot. You could use this. This is, I know that the camera's moving, but this could be like the first shot of the film. And look how nice it turns out. Let's have a look at the other one. Let's just see if there's anything different? No, very similar as well. And you can like add some cinematic prompts there as well. Now let's look at the generations of me. Okay, so let's press play and let's see if it, great. I love it when it blinks. The hand gesture moved as well. Very, very nice. I'm going to just show you guys the lip sync feature. It's kind of weird because what happened is he ended up like covering his mouth. So I'm not too sure if it's going to work, but we'll give it a try anyway. Let's click lip sync. So when you click lip sync, it redirects the video over here. Now you have a few options. If you generated something like a speech in 11 Labs or something else, you can upload it here. If you want to record from your microphone, which I actually use this sometimes as well, and I just talk myself, you can do that. Or if you scroll down here, you have the option to select some of these different voices as well, and then you can just enter the speech. So let's just go with Jack, okay? And let's go back over here and let's just say something random and see how it does. All right, I just wrote, I'm really trying to understand how that happened, and I'm using Jack's voice. So you just need to click here where it says generate lip sync. Now, whilst we're waiting for that, let's head back to ChatGPT. I just want to show you guys something. Let's grab that image, the first establishing shot, and let's ask ChatGPT for a sound effect for the image. All right, so it's given us the sound effect. Let's now head to 11 Labs. And if you guys aren't really sure what 11 Labs is, it's actually one of the, you know what? It's actually one of the first AI tools that I started using. But one thing that I love that it has the option to just add text and it will generate the actual sound effect. So here it is, I've put it in, and let's just go for 5 seconds because I'm pretty sure the video was only 5 seconds. And let's just click generate sound effect. All right, now it gives you 4 different generations here as well. So it gives you So it gives you 4 different generations to choose from. I can't hear them right now, but I'll just play them for you guys. So I'll press play on the first one to give you guys a bit of an idea. I'm sorry if that did your head in. I don't actually have headphones on, so I actually don't even know what that sounded like. Essentially, what we're trying to do is we are trying to do a sound effect that would match this video right here as well. So that's all you have to do, literally. If you're not happy with the outcome, just go back to ChatGPT, ask for another prompt until you find one that you like. Going back to the video as well of me talking, I'll just press play to show you the results of the lip sync.
I'm really trying to understand how that happened.
So you can see there how well it works. Obviously there was a little bit of a glitch because his hand moved, but this works really well. And this is all you need to do when there's a scene or a shot where there's dialogue. Just make sure you have a clear view of the person's face. So those images will be used for a horror movie. They may not even be used. I might even go back and change the images as well. But what I'm going to do now, I am going to create a bit of a horror movie / trailer, and using this same method, and I'm going to come back, I'm going to show you guys the results, and let's see how it turns out.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my house? Oh, well, that was strange. I could have sworn I saw someone standing near the window. I need to get out of here right now. I feel like I'm losing my mind right now. I don't know what's going on.
All right, so that was what I generated. To give you an idea, That took me, I would say maybe, and this is the first time that I've done that type of horror trailer movie. Look, I think that took me about, I'd say 2 hours maybe. So look, in the grand scheme of things, it's actually not a long time, but yeah, look, I mean, you could see how well the results came out with my face and even just the individual shots of the scene. So now you know exactly what you need to do. First things first, go back, watch my video, which will show you how to train your first model. Then follow these steps and create your own video, okay, guys? And this can work for anything. Music videos, it can work for literally like a series, a movie, whatever you're trying to do. And that's it for the video, guys. I really thank you guys for watching all the time. And if you could leave a comment, let me know if this helped and let me know what you were able to generate or what movie you were trying to make. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.